Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Claude app running slow, taking forever to open chats, or feeling laggy when you type? Here's the faster iPhone fixes. First, go to your settings, then go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and check the storage bar at the top. This app slows down significantly when your device is nearly full, since there is no room left to cache data smoothly. Free up space by offloading a few unused apps. Next, close every other app in your recent app list, since background apps compete for memory and processing power. Go to your settings, then go to display. After that, turn low power mode off if it's on, since it throttles overall performance across every app, including Claude. Finally, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. A full restart clears temporary memory buildup and is the most effective fix for persistent slowdown after extended use. So, all you've got to do is free up storage, close background apps, turn off low power mode, and restart your iPhone. Claude runs smoothly again, and that's it. Subscribe.